The most important news of the Volkswagen Power Day is that we are ready to lead the electric mobility market. How we do that? We have two pillars in the new Volkswagen Powerhouse. We have the battery system and the cell, and we have the energy and the charging business. That means with the two pillars we will secure the lead in e-mobility in the future. With the new battery strategy, we will make battery a core business of Volkswagen. The technology roadmap we define together will end in a so-called unified cell. We will have one cell for 80% of the product portfolio until 2030. This will give us the freedom of high volume and scale, and on top, the cost point improvement about 50% against the actual status. We are working in a closed loop. That means we will develop the cell, we will produce the cell, we will secure the supply chain, we will have a second life after the car, and we will have the recycling business inside as a core business of Volkswagen. The Green Deal shows us a demand of 240 gigawatt hours for Europe only. This means for Europe only and Volkswagen only 6 plants with 40 gigawatt hours. The first plant we will establish with Northvolt together. We will strengthen our relationship with Northvolt and will ramp up a plant with 40 gigawatt hours until 2030 in Sweden. The second plant will be in Salzgitter. 25 will start the plant in Salzgitter. E-mobility works out only with a sufficient charging infrastructure. That's the reason why Volkswagen is looking as a potential business also in charging structure. We are doing that since years in China. We have our activities in the US with Electrify America, and now we will be also strong in Europe. We have Ionity as a core business in Europe, and on top we go with local partners. We have Enel for Italy, we will have Iberdrola for Spain, and we will be looking with BP for UK and Germany in the starting phase. That means we will have until 25, 18,000 on top charging stations, high power charging stations. This is a total of 1/3 of the total demand we will cover with these activities until 25. The car will be additionally part of the ecosystem of the customer. We will, with our bidirectional charging wall boxes, will be able that the car is a kind of a power bank, a mobile power bank for the customer, only not charging, also putting energy from the car in the house. That's a new digital business for us.